Liangyi 2 forms, Kung Fu Series 12, ground skills. Movements, 1. 3 rises 3 falls, 2. Dragon leap, 3. Tiger sit, 4. Phoenix spreads 1 wing, 5. Crouching dragon flip body, 6. Sleeve hidden Hunyuan fist exchange. Next is the ground skills of Liangyi 2 forms Kung Fu. Ground skills build strength in the upper arms and wrists. They increase the resistance and hardness of fists and fingers, collectively known as Kung Fu. My student will now demonstrate. Liangyi 2 forms, Kung Fu Series 12, full routine of ground skills.